Schumann Resonance Evening Update March 7, 6 p.m. Today delivered another very active electromagnetic environment, and across the global monitoring stations. Early in the cycle we saw moderate background activity, but later in the day the system surged with very strong amplitude spikes, especially visible in the Tomsk spectrogram where the white saturation burst appears around the 2021 hour mark UTC. That type of bright vertical burst usually indicates a short but powerful energy injection into the cavity, often tied to solar wind pressure increases or geomagnetic fluctuations. The amplitude charts confirm this. The A1 band surged significantly, climbing into the higher ranges before settling back down. That spike reflects a strong moment of resonance amplification in the Earth ionosphere cavity. At the moment, power level is sitting around 10.67, which is elevated but stable after the earlier surge. The fundamental frequency is currently around 7.3 Hz, slightly below the classic 783 baseline. This kind of dip often happens after large bursts as the system recalibrates. The Q factor is about 9.04, showing moderate coherence in the resonance bands. It is not chaotic, but it does indicate that the system has been processing a lot of electromagnetic input today. Looking at the electromagnetic background chart, the entire band shows dense green and yellow layering, which tells us the cavity has been carrying sustained energy rather than isolated pulses. Over in the Kumiana data, we also see sharp lower band spikes toward the end of the timeline. These usually correspond with geomagnetic disturbances or increased solar wind interaction with Earth's magnetosphere. In simple terms, today's charts show a pattern of compression followed by release, strong bursts, short stabilization periods, then additional injections of energy. For sensitive individuals, this kind of electromagnetic environment can coincide with feelings of heightened awareness pressure in the head, or ears unusual fatigue followed by sudden clarity and vivid dream activity tonight as the nervous system integrates the signal. Looking ahead into the next 12-24 hours, the system appears to be settling but still electrically charged, meaning we may see intermittent spikes rather than continuous saturation. So the key theme tonight is integration. The field surged, the resonance responded, and now the system is redistributing that energy. Stay grounded, hydrate well, and allow the nervous system to recalibrate, grow with the flow.